So here's the log flume, and like everything at so many of these parks in Europe, it's just delightful. All the theming, there's videos, there's scenes to go through, there's a backstory, some adventure, something, I don't know. It's in Dutch, and I'm kind of in a rush, so kind of waltzing by it, but here we go. Hold on to the rails in the boat during the descents. Okay. So here we are at the log flume in the Dutch park called Toverland. And it's an unusual log flume. I hate when people say watch to the end, but watch to the end. Because it has several surprises. Oh, pah! Number one, the big ogre just spit on me. But you can see this part of the log ride is indoors, but spoiler alert, not all of it's inside. There's some nice theming in the queue, some crazy inventor, and we're gonna see him at the top of the lift here. Here's the first surprise. Guess what? It's a turntable. Stopping. We're going backwards down the hill. Whoa! Nice. So that's a cute little surprise. So here's another surprise. You start by going backwards, and watch this. A turntable on the lift hill. Wackiness, man. Look at that Look, it's another little turn. Cheers! There's the booster bike coaster, and your splash. All right, I got a little wet. Lovely little outdoor. Oh, this guy. Uh-oh, that's a problem. Man. A little elf guy playing the, I don't know. And it's a dark ride. Babies. There you go, the indoor, outdoor, forward, backward log ride, Expedition Zork. Everything here is in Dutch. and German, so I really don't know what the story is. So I don't know. Google and Wikipedia when you got time. Thanks for watching.